I am Dr. Sharjeel and you are watching my YouTube channel, and today I would like to present the second video of research writing. And in this video I will discuss a very important aspect of medical research writing, that what are the different components of research writing. So we will start from simple to complex. So if you have a medical journal, you should read it and you will find these things. You will find case reports, you will find clinical images, you will find original articles, you will find editorial about a specific current problem, you will find review articles, and you will find letter to editors. So we will discuss one by one. So first, the clinical, the most simplest form of contribution to the research is by taking interesting and rare things, clinical images, and then submit those images to the medical journals, and if they find it interesting for their viewers, they will publish it, and your name will come, and you can show it in your CV or your portfolio. It will be considered an achievement. Then comes case reports. Like I am ophthalmologist, and whenever I get some rare disease or even unusual sign in a common disease, I try to capture its pictures and also try to write a case report on it. So case report does not mean that it should be a new phenomena, a new disease. It means any atypical feature of any disease, like which is not previously seen or very rarely seen, or at least in your area, in your region, that feature is very rare. So you can write a case report on it, and you can submit it to the medical journals, and most of the time they will publish it. Then comes case series. Now case series, you should know the difference between the case series and original article. Case series consists of 2 or more case reports, but thing is that in original article you combine the results, properties of all the sample, and then you present it as a whole. Whereas in a case series, like if you have got a case series of 3 cases, so you discuss each and every case separately in a same article. Like for example, if I am writing on atypical features of golden heart syndrome, so first I would discuss one case report, then I will discuss the second one, and then I will discuss the third one. I will not discuss collectively but separately, so that will become a case series. So you will send it as a case series to the journal, and if they wish, they will publish it. Now another simpler is the editorial. Unlike nowadays we have got a corona pandemic, so you can write about corona, about its prevention, about its mode of spread, about about the vaccination. Few people are opposing it, few people are going for it. So current affairs topics you can send to the editorials a new treatment option for any disease, and it's a qualitative type, and it should be concise to the point, and if the journal editors they think it's a useful editorial, they will include it. You can also put it in your CV, in your portfolio. Then is the letter to editor. Now letter to editor is also a simpler type of research. A lot of people, they don't have any idea what it is. Letter to editor means that of that specific journal you have read an article, and you found some points confusing, or you found that some section of the article which is not correct in your opinion. So you write to the editor that in this article I have these 2 or 3 points, I am not sure about it, kindly ask the author to clarify those, or these statistics which the author has shown, I don't agree with it, and you give your evidence. So these, then the editor he put your questions in front of the author, and author reply those, and your questions, your objections, and the clarification of the authors of that article, so they both come in the letter to editor. So some people and some even journals, they also don't have idea of letter to editor, and people they give their opinions about different diseases, and they are published in letter to editor, so which is wrong. Then comes original articles. Now original articles have got weightage, and most of the people, they know what original articles are like. You are studying characteristics of different diseases or different treatment options, their effects, efficacy, their side effects. You take a sample from the population, you study it for a specific number of days. You have got in the inclusion criteria, exclusion criteria, and then you publish it. It can be experimental, it can be descriptive, so it has got weightage. And if you your study original article published in a high impact factor, it has got good marks. Then the last one is review article. Now review article is also a tricky one. Review article means that on any particular disease or any particular treatment option from 2010 till 2020, different original articles are written, and now in that specific time, suppose I have found 30 articles on the same thing, so I review all the 30, combine their points, review those articles, and then publish it. Now that's not original work, that's not my work, but actually I have summarized all the original articles in that period of 10 years of the same topic, and in this you have also got inclusion criteria, that these are the 40 or 30 original articles which comes in my inclusion criteria, and then you summarize those and extract some new information for the coming generations, so that when they will read your review article, they will save their time because otherwise they would have gone through 40 original articles to get that point which you have now summarized in your review article. So that is known as a review article. So I hope those who are watching my second video of research, now they are clear that they can send any interesting or clear clinical image to the journals, any unusual characteristic of a common disease as a case report. They can read an article, and if they find if they have some objections on that article, they can write a letter to the editor. If they have got a very good community topic in their mind, they can write editorial to the journal. Then if they have done original research, experimental study or descriptive study, they can send it as original article, then a review article as well. So all these are the types of medical research writing, and I hope after watching this video your concept will be clear, and now you have lot more options, because majority of the doctors and biosciences students, they think that they know about original articles. So I hope this video will give you some insight into the other easy type of publications. Thank you very much.